Uh, Here we are going to create a equal cross pipe fitting in our SolidWorks. You can see the dimensions are given here. From this point to this point is 350. This point to this point is 250, and this is 90. And the diameter of the pipe is 100. So at first you need to go to your SolidWorks app, create a new part, then click on front plane, click on sketch, then click on the circle, draw a circle and give the dimension 100. Okay, now click on surface, extruded surface. We need total two sides, so I need to select the direction mid plane and the length will be 350. Okay, now again click on right plane, sketch, do the same thing, draw a circle, give the dimension again 100, surface, extruded surface, again select the midplane. Okay, now click on top plane, draw a sketch like this, just draw unit. Now give the dimension. Oh wait, now give the dimension, it will be 90. Now make them equal, click here, press Ctrl, then click this line, this line, this line. Now make the relation equal. Okay, from this line to this line it will be 250. This line to this line it will be also 250. Okay, now again click on feature, trim surface, click on trim surface. We are going to trim this surface, so click this surface and this surface. Now click remove selection, click on OK. Okay, now you need to click lofted surface, click here. Now select one edge and another edge. uh Something is wrong here. Okay, now start constraint, it will be tangency to face, and the end constraint will also be tangency to face. You can change the number like 1.5 5, 1.5. Okay. Now you need to do the same thing. Okay. Now we need to cover the upper part and the down part. So click on filled surface, then select all the surface here. You can see the preview here. Click on tangent, then click on OK. Okay. Now again do the same thing. Click on filled surface and select all the surface here again. Okay. Now click on tangent. So our object is model is ready, but you can see this surface is little what, but here you can see the surface is a little bit curved. So we need to edit some feature, make it tangent. Now click on OK. We can do another thing. Delete this. Again, delete this surface. Uh, Click on feature, take plane. First reference plane will be top plane. From the top plane, uh, 80 is perfect. Okay, 80. And again, take another plane. First reference plane will be top plane, and mm, we need to do the flip offset, and it will be also 80. Okay. Now click on point, escape point. Select the plane sketch. Now click on point. Click here. Okay. Now again sketch on plane 2. Again select point. Click OK and exit the sketch. Now again go to the surface. Click on field surface. Then select all the edges like the previous time. This point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. Now you need to select this point also. Now you need to click on constraint curves. Select your points here. Okay, you can see the preview. So click on OK. Now again click on field surface. Do the same thing. Select all the edges and the constant curve. Select this point. Click on OK. You can hide this plane. Click on hide. Now perfect. Now our model is ready. You can okay like this. You can change the so our model is ready.